Okay, what is the name of this plane?
Good morning. Yeah, so this is our Stratotanker. It is a KC-97, and its main purpose is to refuel aircraft in flight. This is one of the very early in-flight refueling type aircraft, and
When was
they're
this?
a real beauty.
When was this first?
This airplane, this type, really again comes out of the commercial world. So we're talking about 1938 or 1948. I'm sorry, when the designs were laid down. This airplane started flying about 1950, and they flew them actively until about 1977.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Ultimately, this airplane really becomes too slow to refuel the jet-powered aircraft.
So at the
So
time it was
they have
good,
a hard time
but then
keeping up.
yeah, then you make the planes faster, so you got to make the
You
refueler
have to
faster.
make the refueler faster, right? So in the back, you'll see the KC-135, which is for that purpose.
So this is like the earliest version of what we have here on Castle.
This is the earliest
version of a reflight
tanker,
plane.
yeah.
And then after that, it gets more faster and faster as we go on.
Exactly. Yeah.
And what's with the double blades that you have over here?
Well, the four-bladed prop is just the prop design that's required for this aircraft type to get enough air movement, enough thrust to get the airplane to fly. You know, it's a huge airplane. It's tremendously heavy. They actually modified the original version of this, and if you look, you'll see two jet pods on the outside of the wingtip, and those are to add thrust to these as well. So one of the few aircraft that actually has jet-powered air power on it, and it also has radial engine power.
And then was it used for other things besides refueling?
Pretty well. It could have been used for troop and cargo transport. If you notice the large cargo door on the side, it will carry cargo. Commercially, this was a passenger airplane. This was one of the first double-deck airplanes in commercial service. So, but its purpose for us is in-flight refueling.
And it's a two-man crew?
No, there's about 6 people on board this airplane. You know, there's a pilot and a co-pilot. You have a navigator, you have a flight engineer on board, and then you have what's known as the boom operator or the gas passer. And he has a special little place, we'll see in a few minutes, in the tail of the airplane where he can actually fly what you probably have seen in the already is a boom below the airplane. And that is lowered down, and they can fly that into the receiving airplane. And then the boom operator will transfer fuel from this airplane to a receiving airplane.
When did this particular model get here at Castle?
I'm sorry?
When was this particular model
This
here?
one, I think it arrived here probably about 1980, 82. Yeah.
Well, let's go inside and check it out.